Hey everyone, just wanted to talk to you about the dryer that we have here. So we had a very loud crunching, scratching, kind of freaked me out noise. Yesterday we ended up taking out the whole dryer apart. We didn't need to do that. Just come to the lint trap, unscrew these screws here, then come to the back, remove the 6 screws of the back panel, and then you can remove the lint trap, and then you want to clean out the fan to the motor, as well as all the lint and dust from the lint trap in both of these locations. And once we did that, the dryer worked perfectly fine. There's some of what we got out, as well as a ton of earrings and bobby pins. Not sure how those got there, but you know, teenagers. And once we did that, cleaned that out, then we tried it and it worked perfectly fine and no longer made the loud crunching, screeching noise. So all you have to do is take out that back panel, take out the lint trap, clean the holes and clean the motor fan, and it should work just fine. So I hope this video can help you from not disassembling your entire dryer like we did. Thank you for watching. Bye.